heck is KGI doing with AI in research? At KGI, artificial intelligence isn't about replacing critical thinking, it's about expanding what's possible. AI is transforming the way we learn, research, and solve complex problems. And at KGI, students engage in learning how they can use today's tools and be prepared for tomorrow's possibilities. One of the many ways we use it here is in our Summer Undergraduate Research Experience, also known as our SURE program. In Dr. Animish Ray's lab, his students are using AI in two different ways to better understand how proteins in the human body work. The first is using AI to predict what antibodies fight which diseases. KGI works with several AI models, and one student is working on improving a specific model to make it more accurate. The second student is using another AI model to see exactly how proteins interact. With the help of these AI systems, they can create a detailed 3D picture of how those proteins fit together, almost like figuring out how two puzzle pieces lock into place. We believe learning how to use AI responsibly is just as important as learning science itself. In Steve Casper's lab, two students are using large language models like ChatGPT to help write code that extracts and organizes data from hundreds of thousands of scientific publications on HIV, AIDS, and malaria. Their project transforms massive data lakes into organized social network analysis, helping researchers better understand how scientists, ideas, and discoveries are connected. Whether it's supporting biomedical research, organizing complex datasets, or helping students explore new ideas, AI is another tool that helps researchers work more efficiently while keeping critical thinking at the center. We don't just learn with emerging technologies, we learn how to lead with them. This is just one of the many examples of how the heck KGI is using AI.